Welcome to the Department of Mass Communication, Galgottias University. I am Dr. Nikki Tiwari, your course coordinator of Media Industry and Entrepreneurship, BAJC 3002. Today I am going to discuss about the organizational structure of a television newsroom. Prerequisite of this course is Basics of Print Media and co-requisites of this course is Computer with Internet Connection. Learning objectives of this topic is, on completion of this course, the students will be able to understand the newsroom structure of a television media organization. Now, I am going to discuss about the organizational structure of a television newsroom. A television newsroom consists of following departments: channel head, input department, assignment desk, reporters and cameramen. Output department. Output department consists of producers, anchors, PCR, that is the production control room, MCR, master control room. Next, graphics department and video editing department. Now I'll discuss about the input department. Input is one of the most important department of a news channel, which has the responsibility to gather news from different sources. The input team consistently remains in touch with reporters, news bureaus, stringers, etc. Also, they access and analyze all the news sources like news agencies, daily newspaper copy, the video feed from national as well as international news agencies, etc. Also, if somebody wants to give any information to a channel, they call to input. Input gives the story idea to the output and asks them to make the news package. They provide the information required by the output. Input also conceptualize the program based on the availability of information. Input also has the responsibility to collect the feedback from the viewers, analyze the TRP, arrange the guest for a program, and coordinate the viewers' call during the program. Now I'll discuss about the assignment desk, which is a part of the input desk in or input department. Assignment and input are two terms that are used interchangeably. Some news channel has combined desk for the two, while few have different staff and different assigned work. Input takes care of what is required, while assignment takes care of how it will be done. Like, suppose input is asking a story to cover to a particular reporter, then assignment will coordinate with them about the camera person, OB van, commuting arrangement, etc. to smoothly conduct their coverage. Usually, input and assignment work in close coordination. The assignment desk in charge is responsible for all the news inputs, all the lives for the channel, all the states stories or bureau inputs, all political guests for shows, all inputs for special programs, all the inputs from stringers all across the nation, all coordination with reporters and output, and whatever required for the coverage of the event. Functions of assignment desk. These are the following functions of the assignment desk. All coordination with PCR, that is the production control room. Next, gather info or leads of news stories from the reporters. Gather info or leads of developing stories. Next, coordinate with all reporters including stringers, keeping in loop the chief reporters. Coordinate with output in charge or shift in charge. Coordinate for all live or OB vans or live units. For breaking news, it does the coordination with reporter, PCR, producer, output head or output desk. Coordination with forward planning desk for events or upcoming news events. Now I am going to discuss about the reporters. Every reporter is assigned a task by the assignment desk. Beat reporters have to keep an eye on their beats, and if there is any development, they must have to inform the assignment desk to arrange the required resources for the coverage of the event. Reporters can acknowledge the assignment desk and input head about any special story which can be their exclusive ideas. Reporters have to go to the field for ground reporting and they need to guide cameramen for required visuals. They are also required to collect bytes related to their stories. TV reporters should be always presentable and prepared for live reporting. I'll discuss about the output department. The output is another important and relatively the largest department of a channel, which creates news packages out of the information. The output head is responsible for what goes on air. First, the news feed sent by reporters is analyzed and then the information is rewritten in a broadcast news format along with the logged byte and instruction to the video editors. The voiceover is done by VO artists or anchors and then saved VO ID is given to the editor. Now the editor selects music as per the story, cut the VO for any unnecessary fumble and repetition and then insert the visuals to the VO and music. The editors in the output desk department also decide what goes on as headlines, how they are structured and what story will be tagged the big story of that day. One vital role the output desk department play in the production of news is their decision on what image and sound should be used in the production and broadcasting of the news. PCR, Production Control Room. PCR stands for Production Control Room. It is the place in a television studio in which the composition of the broadcasting program takes place. Production control room facilities have a video monitor wall with monitors for the program, preview, VTRs, cameras, graphics, and other video sources. A vision mixer or video switcher to control the multi-camera setup and sources to be recorded or seen on air. An audio mixing console, a character generator CG graphics machine to create the bumper and top slug and other on-screen graphics. Modern communication facility including a talkback or telephone line. A device for storage of graphics or other images. And studio camera control unit. MCR. MCR stands for Master Control Room. MCR basically acts as a technical hub for broadcast operation channels and the final point before the image, sound and live action are transmitted over the air from the actual set onto the TV screens. An important distinction between a PCR and an MCR is that the PCR takes care of the actual composition of the outgoing program, whereas the MCR ensures that the program is transmitted smoothly and in continuity. A master control room would comprise of the following equipment: video monitors, videotape machines or VTR used to record the live broadcast, video servers, satellite receivers, transmission equipment which allows over-the-air transmission from studio to TV networks. Here is a visual diagram of the organizational structure of a television newsroom. These are the references which are used in making this PowerPoint presentation. Thank you.